Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a restocking video and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. So here is my first slime and it is Velvet Sprinkle. It is a very fluffy cloud slime and it has some white sprinkles. It's also a little bit wet and it also leaves a little bit of coloring in your fingers, but you can just wash it off. It falls super nice and is super pretty and I'm definitely in love with this one. It's also going to be scented like chocolate. The next one is Ant Bubble and it is a super nice cloud slime. It doesn't fall, it's more like a cloud cream. It has these really cute circle sprinkles and they're super nice, and to me they look kind of like ants, so I decided to call it like that. It is super nice, very soft and very stretchy, and I'm definitely in love with it and I know you guys will love it as well. If you guys didn't know, I don't have a shop, but you can buy my slimes from my Instagram. Just DM me and I will let you know, but you will be needing a PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you cannot buy from me. I'm so sorry, but you will have to wait until I open a shop, and that's probably gonna be later on. So here is Angelic Cloud, and this is a very nice cloud crepe slime. It comes with these really pretty sprinkles that I handmade myself. It is very stretchy and very soft. This slime will not come with that specifically charm because I don't have enough of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna handmade my own, and I will post a picture on my Instagram so you guys can check it out. If you're wondering why this slime is called Angelic Cloud, it's because of my niece. Her name is Angeli and I decided to make a slime for her. So then we have Sherry Taffy, and this one is a super thick cream cheese slime. It is also very glossy, which I definitely love. And for my next restock, I might have a different taffy slime. It is very stretchy, super thick, and very nice, and it's definitely one of my favorites out of the whole restock. If you want a normal, thick, and glossy slime, I would definitely recommend you to get this one. So then we have Rosy Frog, and this one is a very nice slime. It has some foam beads, it has a whole bunch of sprinkles, and the first person to buy from me will get the same frog that you see right here, and then the rest of the people that buy will get a different frog. They will also come with these other two charms. It is very stretchy and very nice. In this clip, it is a little bit sticky just because I forgot to add some activator before the video, but it's still super nice, very cool. I'm definitely in love with it and I know you guys will too. It also has some black glitter So then we have crunchy fotis, and this is a very crunchy, very thick slime. It's definitely the thickest slime that I have in my shop right now or in my Instagram. And I decided to call it that just because I kind of made that word up, and I will have a full collection on that. If you guys want to see some more slimes with that name, just stay tuned. Me and my mom made a whole list full of names with that. So stay tuned. I'm very excited. Hope you guys enjoy. So then we have Fancy Donut, and this one is the prettiest clear slime. It is the only clear slime that I have, just like fully clear. In this clip is not fully clear just because I couldn't wait to make this video. I decided to add some sprinkles and some glitter, and it will come with one of these donuts that you see in the beginning. It is very thick and very stretchy, and it's definitely so pretty. And I hope you guys like it, and if you buy it, send me a picture. So here is the last slime, and this one is Pearl Jam. This one is a jelly slime. It has a whole bunch of foam beads and the little charm that you see in the beginning. That is from my last video. If you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. And it will not come with that charm. It will just come with those 2 dice. And maybe I will add like a little gummy bear charm or something like that. So I really hope you like this one. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below which slime was your favorite. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.
One, two, three, go.